Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food Recipes. In this episode we are making traditional, light and easy Domatesli Şehriye Çorbası, tomato soup with Orzo. It is commonly made at Turkish homes, has very simple ingredients and so delicious. So let's get started. I have half cup plus 2 tablespoons Orzo pasta, handful of chopped parsley, 1 ripened tomato, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, olive oil, salt and pepper. I'm going to begin with grating my tomato. This is the easy way I found to grate it without peeling the skin. And if it's the season, you can use 2 or 3 tomatoes when it is plentiful and more delicious, and omit using the tomato paste. But here in Turkey, since we still have time for tomatoes to be having plentifully, I used only 1 and added 1 tablespoon tomato paste. I'm gonna heat some olive oil, about 4-5 tablespoons, and first going to cook the tomato paste for about 3-4 minutes until the raw taste, the raw smell goes away and you have a nice smell coming from the sauteing it. This is important to have a deep taste coming from the tomato paste. And now I can add the grated tomato. I'm going to continue to stir and saute the tomatoes together until the tomato is melted away and became a nice sauce together. I have my hot water ready and gonna add about 3 cups first and then decide if I need more later. If you have a chicken or a meat stock, you can add it here. Since I didn't have it in the freezer, I didn't use it, but it makes a totally different taste and also would make it more nutritious. Some salt and pepper, and after it is boiled again, it's time to add the pasta. I'm using Orzo pasta traditionally, but vermicelli pasta is also okay to use, and we use it in our home in Turkey. Sometimes my mother-in-law uses both of them together and it makes another texture, a nice texture in the soup, and that's okay too. Just boil the pasta all together about 10 minutes until they are soft, and we are almost done. At the last minute, I'm adding the chopped parsley, give it a stir, and my soup is done. As you can see, it's very easy to make with handy ingredients at home. No need to make ready soups from box. Give it a try if you even cook it for the first time. If you have similar recipes in your culture, please share them with me. I think since these are the basic ingredients, you must have it in your cuisine too. I have many other Turkish cuisine soup recipes on my channel, you can check them. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and vlogs. Afiyet olsun.